In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use Claude AI in VScode. First of all, you need to open the VScode and you need to click the extensions icon in the left menu. Then in the search, you need to write client and you need to find the client agent with this blue tick, guys. As you can see, guys, this publisher has verified ownership of client bot. So once you will click on this, then click the install button and then trust publisher and install. After we'll install the client bot, you will see it in the left side menu. You need to click on it and then you need to connect it with the API key. So you need to click on use your own API. Then you need to scroll down the API provider. In this case, I will choose Anthropic, but you can also do it with other providers too. But in this example, I will show you how to do it with Anthropic because this is the easiest way. Now we need to open our browser and go to the console.anthropic.com, and we need to click on the settings in the left menu, then go to the API keys and click on create key. Then you need to select your workspace and name the key, for example, test, and click on add button right here. Then copy the key and go back to VScode. Then paste the key right here and click let's go. So guys, we have successfully connected our Claude AI to VScode. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.